Are you ready to speak English? Let's start. Listen. I go to work every day. Repeat. I go to work every day. Speak now. I go to work every day. Listen. I start work at 9 a.m. Repeat. I start work at 9 a.m. Speak now. I start work at 9 a.m. Listen. I work in an office. Repeat. I work in an office. Speak now. I work in an office. Listen. I sit at my desk. Repeat. I sit at my desk. Speak now. I sit at my desk. Listen. I use a computer at work. Repeat. I use a computer at work. Speak now. I use a computer at work. Listen. I write emails every day. I write emails every day. Speak now. I write emails every day. Listen. I talk to my coworkers. I talk to my coworkers. Speak now. I talk to my coworkers. Listen. I have a meeting in the morning. I have a meeting in the morning. Speak now. I have a meeting in the morning. Listen. I take a break at noon. I take a break at noon. Speak now. I take a break at noon. Listen. I eat lunch with my coworkers. I eat lunch with my coworkers. Speak now. I eat lunch with my coworkers. Listen. I finish work at 6 p.m. I finish work at 6 p.m. Speak now. I finish work at 6 p.m. Listen. I go home after work. I go home after work. Speak now. I go home after work. Click to continue the series. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.